60 times 20 equals 15x. That's our equation. Now let's solve the value of x. First, let's simplify. 60 times 20 equals 1,200. Then, bring down the 15x. Now, divide both sides by 15. Simplify. 1,200 divided by 15 equals 80. And 15x divided by 15 equals x. Therefore, the value of x is 80. That means the number of men needed is 80 to build the house in 15 days. Thank you for watching. Let's learn every day. Learning is not a waste of time. Follow or subscribe for more.